How to fix update WhatsApp issue. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can fix WhatsApp update issue, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So sometimes when you open up WhatsApp, you get this type of error that says you have to update WhatsApp, and it says this version of WhatsApp could have become outdated on the date of this. Tap download below to get the latest version. Now this doesn't mean that the WhatsApp app requires an update, because even if I type on download, you can see my WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version because you don't see the update button. It just says open and uninstall. Now this usually happens because of the incorrect date and time format on your device. So if I actually show you the date of in my case over here, it's 11 April 2024, which is not really the case. So I want to change it by just going to settings. Then you want to scroll down and go to general management. Then go to date and time. Just turn on automatic date and time. Once you turn on automatic date and time, your WhatsApp time would have actually basically been fixed. And then once you've done that, you just need to open WhatsApp and just refresh it again. I'll just open up WhatsApp, and now this time you'll be able to notice that it has actually been successfully changed. So if I just go ahead and then make sure to change my date and time to the correct one over here. Once I correct my date and time, I also want to make sure that I'm connected to the internet so that it can automatically extract the date and time for me. Then it's going to automatically go ahead and then extract the correct date and time for me. So let me go ahead and do that. And then now once I've done that, all I need to do is simply open a WhatsApp, and then I'll have successfully fixed that issue. This is how you can fix the update WhatsApp issue. It isn't really the update issue, but the issue is basically with your date and time. So I hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.